I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Messages and confirming you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Make a quick backup or export if a chat contains useful files. Once done, find the conversation you want removed. If Messages uses iCloud, note that deletions sync across devices. Make sure you intend that. Click the conversation to reveal Messages. From here, you're ready to remove content, either single messages or the whole chat, so proceed to selecting what to delete next. Now you'll remove the content. To delete a single message, right-click or Control-click it and choose Delete. Confirm when prompted. To remove multiple messages, Command-click each bubble, then use Edit Delete or press Command plus Backspace. If you want to delete the entire conversation, select it in the sidebar, then choose File Delete Conversation and confirm. Make sure to watch for any prompts about iCloud. If Messages in iCloud is enabled, deletions will propagate to connected devices. Finish by emptying Recently Deleted if your macOS version shows it. This permanently removes messages. If you prefer not to sync deletions, disable Messages in iCloud in Messages Preferences iMessage, or sign out of the account on devices you don't control. If deleted messages reappear, restart your Mac, then check iCloud settings on all devices to ensure they are updated. Sometimes a sync lag causes reappearance. As a last resort, toggle Messages in iCloud off, then back on to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.